Hi, boys and girls. Mystery Montemurro here. Today I'm going to read you the book Dangerous Weather Ahead. Natural hazards. Hazard means something dangerous. When you hear the words natural hazard, you may think of earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. But these are not the only types of natural hazards. Sometimes the weather can be dangerous. Hurricanes, blizzards, and lightning are all natural hazards. These types of weather are more common in some places than others. Even so, almost every place has some kind of natural hazard. Meteorologists can predict when dangerous weather is on the way. They let people know when and where a natural hazard may strike. Natural hazards can cause serious problems like flooding and forest fires. People have found many solutions to these problems. We have figured out ways to stay safe from all kinds of natural hazards. We can't stop dangerous weather from happening, but we can be prepared. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are big storms that form over warm water in the ocean. They are more common in places with warm climates. When hurricanes hit the coast where people live, they can cause lots of damage. Hurricanes bring heavy rain and strong winds. A hurricane can dump billions of gallons of precipitation in one day. The winds in a hurricane can move faster than a race car. In the United States, hurricanes are the most common along the southeast coast. Hurricane safety tips. Stay inside with the doors and windows closed. Stay away from windows. Don't go outside right away if the rain and wind stop. They may start up again. Stay inside until you are sure the hurricane has passed. Problem. Strong hurricane winds can blow the roof off a building. In a hurricane, the wind may blow more than 250 kilometers per hour or 150 miles per hour. Strong winds like these are powerful enough to cause lots of damage. They can even blow the roof off a building. A hurricane blew off part of the roof of this house. Solution. Build strong roofs that will stay on, even in powerful winds. People can prepare their houses for hurricanes using hurricane clips. Hurricane clips are pieces of metal. People bolt them to the wooden beams of a roof. The clips help hold the roof down during a hurricane. These are metal hurricane clips. They are bolted to the wooden beams of a roof. People are building this roof with hurricane clips. The roof will be very strong when it is finished. Problem. Hurricanes cause flooding. Lots of precipitation falls during a hurricane. At the same time, strong winds can push ocean water onto land. This is called a storm surge. Heavy rains and storm surges can cause flooding. The water in a flood can be very dirty. Flood water can ruin a house and everything inside. Flooding is a serious problem for people with houses in hurricane areas. When a house fills with floodwater, the house and everything inside may be ruined. Solution. Build houses on stilts so floodwater doesn't get inside. In hurricane areas, some people build houses that are raised up on stilts. Stilts are long and thin. The stilts hold the houses up above the level of floodwater. The floodwater flows under the houses without damaging them. People built their houses on stilts in this area. Even though there is a flood, the water is not getting inside the houses. Blizzards. A blizzard is a type of dangerous snowstorm. This natural hazard happens in places where the temperatures get cold. In a blizzard, strong winds blow snow and send it flying around. When flying snow makes it hard to see, that's called a whiteout. Blizzards are most likely in northern areas and areas with tall mountains. Blizzard safety tips. Make sure you have warm clothes and lots of blankets. Stay inside and keep your pets inside. Problem. Blizzards can cause blackouts. In a blizzard, strong winds can blow down power lines. When power lines fall, the electricity goes out. That's called a blackout. Blackouts can be dangerous, especially when the temperature is very cold. Many heaters run on electricity. That means many people cannot heat their homes during blackouts. Also, some people, like patients in hospitals, need machines to keep them healthy. High winds and heavy snow made these power lines fall down. Solution. Backup generators provide power to keep machines running. Hospitals, schools, banks, and other buildings often have backup generators. That way, they can still get electricity when a blizzard has taken down power lines. A backup generator works like a car engine, burning gas to provide power. A backup generator can keep the electricity on in a building until power lines are fixed. Hospitals and other big buildings often have backup generators like this one. Lightning. You may have seen lightning, flashes of light that zigzag across the sky during storms. Every second, about 40 bolts of lightning strike Earth's surface. Lightning is caused by electrical energy in the air. Each bolt of lightning has enough electrical energy to turn on 8 million toasters. Lightning can hit anywhere, but some areas tend to have more lightning strikes on average, and others have fewer. Lightning safety tips. If you hear thunder, go inside right away. Do not hide under a tree. Get inside as quickly as you can. Stay inside until 30 minutes after the thunder stops. Problem. Lightning can damage buildings badly. Lightning is most likely to strike the tallest object in an area. Often, that is the roof of a building. Lightning strikes can damage buildings badly. They can even set buildings on fire. Lightning is hitting this tall building. Solution. Get the lightning to hit something else. People can keep lightning from striking the roof of a tall building by putting up something even taller for the lightning to strike, a lightning rod. The lightning rod can be hit by lightning without being damaged. The energy from the lightning passes through the lightning rod, through wires, and into the ground. That way, it doesn't damage the building. This is a close-up of a lightning rod on the roof of a house. This diagram shows how a lightning rod works. Problem. Lightning strikes can start dangerous forest fires. If lightning strikes a tree in the middle of a forest, it can start a forest fire. Although they can kill plants and animals, natural forest fires can be an important part of keeping a forest healthy. However, if they burn close to where people live, forest fires can be very dangerous. If nobody notices a fire right away, it may get bigger and bigger. Big fires are hard to put out. Lightning strikes can start forest fires like this one. Solution. Watch for forest fires so that firefighters can put them out if needed. People build towers in the middle of the forest so they can watch out for forest fires. Fire watchers look out over the forest from the tower. They watch for lightning strikes and smoke. If they see signs of a fire, they warn firefighters right away. Then firefighters can put out the fire before it burns out of control. People watch for forest fires in this tower. Tornadoes are dangerous storms with very strong winds. Other weather problems. Hurricanes, blizzards, and lightning are not the only kinds of dangerous weather. Other kinds of weather cause other kinds of problems. Tornadoes can smash houses and cars. Ice storms can make roads dangerously slippery. Very hot weather can make people sick. Ice storms cover trees, roads, and everything else in slippery ice. What natural hazards do people need to prepare for in your area? What solutions have they found?